Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So before we do first derivative, we need to put this one into this one. Now we have the second formula in here. This one that is about number 4 F and S. This one that is about number 6 F and of S plus number 9. And this one that is about number 3 F and of S square plus number 3. Now we have the formula of first derivative. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of 8 over 8. Now we can apply this one, and this one. So that should be like this. So this one that is about number 1. This one that is about number 1. Number 9 that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one that is about 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So number 3 and number 2 we have number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.